name is Geraldine McIlwaine. I am a volunteer with the SVP branch in Coleraine in St John's Parish, and I'm a home visitation volunteer. I work with my conference members in answering calls to members of the community who are in need. We visit them in their homes and see what they need and hopefully help them out in a sometimes one-off capacity, but quite often, in an enduring way as the weeks go on and people get themselves back on their feet again. Like any town in the country, Coleraine is no different. It's suffering from cost of living crisis, and austerity is bitten really hard in some of our communities. In fact, many communities that wouldn't traditionally have felt the impact of the cost of living crisis are now feeling it. So the challenges are very significant in meeting the needs of a lot more people than normal. Many people in circumstances that are unfamiliar to them, who've maybe always been in work and have suddenly found themselves out of work, or that their wage is just not paying for their living costs. So the challenges are significant in having enough funds to be able to meet the needs, help people with all sorts of challenges like addiction and alcoholism, but also homelessness and poor quality of accommodation, and very big challenges that quite often come in 2s, 3s and 4s. It's not just a one-off issue that people can often cope with by themselves, but these are layers of deprivation, layers of challenge, and they very often need a help with it. And as I say, Coleraine's no different to any other town in the country, but it is a growing need, so it's nice to be able to help in some way.